Hey everyone! Are you preparing for the Amrita entrance examination? Engineering. So, to clear AEEE with a top rank, you shouldn't just study hard, you need to study smart. Today we are breaking down the official chapter-wise weightage for AEEE 2026 so you know exactly where to focus your time for maximum marks. Let's dive in. Confused about JEE or NEET choice filling? Don't risk your seat. Careers 360 is bringing India's top counselors to your city. From IIT Delhi to IIC Bangalore, Careers 360 counselors are touring 15 plus locations starting April 19th. Get 1:1 expert help and a personalized college shortlist. Seats are strictly limited. Check the dates on screen and register now at the link in the description box to reserve your spot. So, the new 2026 exam pattern. Let's have a quick update on it. Before we hit the chapters, note the big changes this year. The exam now includes a quantitative aptitude section. You'll have 100 questions to solve in 150 minutes. Maths 40 questions, physics 25 questions, chemistry 20 questions, quant aptitude 10 questions, English 5 questions. And yeah, talking about the marking scheme, +3 for the correct ones and -1 for the wrong ones. Now, why we need to focus specifically on these higher weightage chapter? It's just because this particular strategy helps you to maximize your score with targeted preparation in the final phase of revision. Your preparation becomes very efficient. There will be frequent repetitions of the same higher weightage concepts, and well, these higher weightage chapters are going to boost up your score. Moving ahead, talking about mathematics. So over here, what we are seeing that differential calculus, integral calculus, they carry 12%. Well, moving ahead with probability in stats, it carries 10%. And talking about for matrices and determinants, it carries 8%. Rest, you can just have a look. Okay, so you need to focus more on differential calculus, integral calculus, probability in stats, matrices and determinants. Moving ahead and talking about for physics. Well, thermodynamics consists of 12% weightage, followed by work energy power and modern physics. They carry 10% of the weightage. Also, if I talk about for the rotational motion, you know what? JEE ka favorite, if I just talk about for JEE means favorite concept in the topic they are asking. What I see in the trend is rotational motion. So you need not to leave this particular topic also. Rest you can have a look. Well, dear ones, you might be wondering that from where we get this particular weightage regarding the higher weightage chapter. From the previous year papers. Okay, we analyze each and every question and we just see the trend that from which particular topic in the chapter the questions are coming again and again and how much weightage they are carrying. Moving ahead and talking about for chemistry, well, dear ones, over here you can have a look. Organic chemistry, the basics, it carries 12%. The basics includes the GOC part wherein you need to study inductive effect, resonance, hyperconjugations, the questions based on those particular effects, the application part of it. Okay. Well, moving ahead and talking about then for thermodynamics carrying 10% of the weightage. Okay. Then talking about electrochemistry and rest, you can have a look over here. For mathematics, as you all know, it's the most important section with 40 questions. Focus heavily on calculus. It usually accounts for nearly 30-35% of the maths section alone. Physics, mechanics is the king, often taking up 35-40% of the physics questions. So don't ignore modern physics as it's a high scoring area. Chemistry, balance is the key. Physical chemistry, especially the mole concepts and the kinetics, usually carry slightly more weightage, near about 40-45% than organic or inorganic. Dear ones, a tip. You need to stick to NCERT textbooks as the primary source. AEEE follows the CBSE class 11th and 12th syllabus very closely. Also prioritize solving at least 5 to 10 previous year papers to get used to the calculation heavy nature of the math section. Focusing on these high weightage topics can significantly boost your percentile. If you find this particular breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AEEE and engineering entrance updates. Check the description for the full weightage table link. Best of luck with your preparation.